Today, we're diving into the Delta Faucet Windemere 14 series tub and shower faucet set in a stunning oil-rubbed bronze finish. This shower trim kit offers an intensely powerful full body spray, ensuring a satisfying shower experience every time. With the included monitor pressure balance valve cartridge, you'll enjoy consistent water temperature, free from sudden changes caused by flushing toilets or running appliances. Plus, it's WaterSense labeled, meaning you can indulge in a warm, drenching shower while using 20% less water, saving you money without sacrificing performance. The set meets ADA standards, providing accessibility and ease of use for everyone. Remember, the valve is sold separately, so be sure to grab Delta's multi-choice universal shower valve to complete your setup. And with Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty, you can install with confidence, knowing your investment is protected. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.